Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to buy a domain and hosting from Bluehost. To visit Bluehost website, you can use my affiliate link, which is bensexperience.com/Bluehost, link in the description. Using this link will definitely support me create more content like this, so thank you for your support. And if you need any help related to Bluehost or building website, feel free to reach me out at ben@bensexperience.com for free support. Now go to WordPress and click on WordPress hosting. Click on view plans or scroll down. As you can see, Bluehost offers four WordPress hosting plans: the basic, the choice plus, online store, and the pro plan. What I recommend is going with this choice plus plan. You get 50 websites, 50 gigabytes of SSD storage, and 500 concurrent visitors. This WordPress hosting plan is ideal for 200,000 visits per month. You get also a free domain, free professional email that you can link with Gmail, free SSL, free CDN, which is good for to maximize your loading speed. You also get 24/7 chat support. And what makes this choice plus plan better than the basic is this phone support and daily website backups free for the first year. For this tutorial, I will simply go with the basic. Click on select. If you already own your domain and you want to link it with this account, click on I want to use a domain I already own and fill it here. You can also choose to select your domain later. I will go with this option. I'm now in the checkout page. For a year of WordPress basic hosting plan, I will pay $35.40. After that, verify your total that you will pay today and click on continue to checkout. Now fill in your contact information. Now fill in your hosting account password and select a payment method. I will go with a credit card. After filling your credit card information, verify again your today's total and hit submit payment and wait a moment. Now that my payment was completed successfully, I was automatically redirected to my Bluehost new account. Now they try to log in me to my WordPress website. Now Bluehost is trying to set my WordPress site for me. I already know this process. It's a long process with lots of details that I don't like to waste my time on. Instead of that, I will close this window. Now to visit my website on Bluehost, simply click on these three dots and hit view site. And this is how to buy a WordPress hosting from Bluehost.